One thing that we use a lot with Sugar Still is a little thing we made, a button to copy our gig list to the clipboard, and then we can paste it into a Facebook status. So it basically just hitting this button will copy any of these fields that we select, that we check, and include them in a list that we can paste into Facebook. So watch, if I, here I'll just click it, and it'll come up with this dialog box that says copy the current found set or the future gigs. And future gigs is the default because that gives us a list of all of our upcoming shows, and we can just paste it right into Facebook. And but you can also do this thing that's called the current found set, which might be a list of any of the gigs that you found. They might be past gigs, they might be gigs just for this week, or for gigs for just this month, whatever you might have searched for and found. You can copy that current list as well, and it'll be sorted however you want. You know, you could sort it in reverse chronological order. If they're past gigs, you're going to paste that onto your website or something. But this button for future gigs, if you click that, it just copies your whole upcoming gig list into your clipboard and say, oh, okay, cool. What does that mean? Well, if I flip over to Facebook now, I can make a status and I can paste into it. Then there's my list of all of our upcoming gigs in a big long list. And this is the one status that we post the most often that gets the most response, especially if we put like a photo, a fun photo, and a witty little, you know, aside. People are really impressed with this type of a post on Facebook. They like to see how many gigs you're doing and that you're touring and what cities you're going to be in, stuff like that. So it's fun for people, I think. So we use that a lot. And if you're there are a number of different things that we've added in that might be of help to other people. If you're a booking agent, if you click F contact to include that, that includes the band, you know, or the, you know, which band, the 4 band that you booked your shows for, okay? And so if you've got a lot of bands you're booking, if you include F contact, it'll give you a list, and it'll include all the band names at the end, as well as the venue names. Now, if you're booking for a venue, you probably would only want to include like the date and the contact and the start time, because all your shows are going to be at the same venue probably. So then there would just be date, start time, and the name of the band, which would be the contact. So that's a different way that a venue could use it. And then finally, if you're a festival and you're using this, you might want to do it with the date, the start time, the band name, and then F contact could be like the stage that if you're managing multiple stages at a festival, and then you would have a list of the date, the time, the band, and which stage they're playing. So this is pretty cool little button here, this copy gig list to clipboard, and hopefully you guys will like it. Tell me what you think of it, and I hope that helps. Talk to you soon.